Well, as you can see, I've been getting pretty busy here watering these plants, but there's still a lot to be done. I probably can't film all of it because I just have too much work to get done. So you can see here's some on the upper deck I'm about to water and get saturated, give them all a little light shot of fertilizer, and they'll be good to go. But other than that, I think I've got everything else here tidied up and watered. If you enjoyed this video, which I certainly hope you did, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. It'd be great. If you didn't enjoy this video, thank you so much for staying around this long. I appreciate that. Take care now. Bye-bye then.